Today we will talk about the Solar Innovator system. We learn and fly. We have prepared a review video to help you answer any and all questions you may have before buying the Solar Innovator system. We also have some really important alerts, which we'll talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention so that you don't make mistakes when using or purchasing the Solar Innovator system. The first thing you need to know about the Solar Innovator system is, be careful with the website you will buy Solar Innovator system, because the Solar Innovator system is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description of this video. So what is the Solar Innovator system? Does it really work? And the answer is yes. The Solar Innovator system works. Its spherical shape allows the system to absorb more light from almost every angle throughout the day and, therefore, it generates around 101% more power, occupying only 5% of the area compared to conventional solar panels. The program is a step-by-step that shows you how to create your own green and inexpensive home power plant to reduce your monthly electricity bill by 50%, 75%, or more from the first month. So yes, you can trust this product. There are more than 37,311 households using this system to permanently abandon their energy suppliers, and you can get results too. However, keep in mind that you will need to spend 2 hours of your time watching the videos and will also spend about $200 in materials, which can be purchased online, to manufacture your plant, which will require you some basic DIY skills. That's a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so you can be realistic about your expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Solar Innovator system for 60 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, the manufacturer promises to return your money. So stay safe to use the Solar Innovator system, but rest assured that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for the Solar Innovator system to work, you will need to have a small space on the roof, balcony, or terrace to install it. The Solar Innovator is lightweight and portable, requires minimal maintenance and also self-cleaning when there are rains. Stay tuned to product details or else you will not see great results and you will really get a little frustrated. You can already see the initial results in the first month. Most people assemble a simple 3D spherical solar panel in less than 3 hours. However, for large-scale energy production, it may take longer. The Solar Innovator promotes the generation of safe solar panels. According to the instruction manual, there is no danger of photovoltaic cells emitting toxins or gases. So we decided to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site you will buy the Solar Innovator, and also, if you buy the product, watch the videos carefully, take the instructions seriously. It will probably be free of high energy bills soon. Remember to keep in mind that your results about the time to watch the videos and assemble the solar sphere may be different from anyone else, because your learning time and time available depending on your lifestyle make you a person with unique results. I really hope this video has helped you and also hope that the Solar Innovator really helps a lot to improve your life, your finances, and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here on this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you later.